you got a hot glue gun on hand? Use it effectively with our practical craft hacks. Is your headset jack dusty again? Make a cute plug embellishment. Cut off a jack plug from broken earphones. Remove the cable. Take an artificial flower. Make a small hole in the bottom. Hot glue the top of the plug. Choose different embellishments: flowers, little figures, and toys. Compete with your friends. Who can make the most original phone plug? Does your friend still use her plain makeup brush? It's so boring! A unicorn horn-shaped brush is a new fashion trend of the season. Take a fluffy makeup brush. Let's shape it like a horn. Apply hot glue to the handle next to the bristles. Shift the glue till it's soft to shape a ring. Add more hot glue. Make this ring the biggest. Shift the glue to leave the bristles free. Cover only the handle. Make other rings in the same way. Each next ring should be smaller than the previous one. When dry, cover the glue horn with white paint. Let's add a pink coating. Use a sponge. Create an ombre effect. Fasten the bristles with a clothespin. Hold it when covering the horn with a lacquer finish. Apply glitter nail polish on top. Sprinkle with glitter to sparkle more. A plain brush or a magic one, there's no need to compare. The magic unicorn brush can add magic to any makeup. Make a lovely holder for your school supplies to get them in one place, safe and secure. Draw a square on baking paper. Trace the borders with hot glue. Apply a simple pattern. When dry, take it off the paper. Make 4 of the same details to form the cup walls. Join them using hot glue. Shape a cube. Mark the bottom on the paper. Cover it with hot glue without gaps. Place another piece of baking paper on top. Iron it and take it off. Attach the bottom to the walls. Use a craft knife to correct the shape. Decorate it with washi tape. My friend's got a great idea! This open work school supply cup is so nice and practical. If I didn't know it, I would never think it was made of hot glue. Decorate your keys, a pencil case, or a backpack with a hot glue gun embellishment. Draw a heart on a piece of pink paper. Cut it out. Place it on top of the baking paper. Cover it with hot glue. Sprinkle with red glitter. Repeat for the other side. Cut off the excess. Leave a little glue on top to fasten a keychain. Prick a hole with an awl. Put in a keychain ring. You can make it of any shape. This cute sparkly keychain will keep your keys safe. Choose the image and decorate your life. Are you going to a party? Add a glamorous bracelet to your outfit. We'll need a silicone tube. Tuck a hot glue stick in it. Pour water and glycerin in equal proportions into the other end. It's time to add a little magic. Take glitter of different colors and carefully put it in the solution. Squeeze a bit of hot glue into the tube. Tuck it with the glue stick plug. Make a few similar bracelets for your friends and let them be a special mark of your friendship. Do you hate cup ring marks on the tabletop? Use hot glue to make a bright and sparkly cup coaster. Smudge fatty cream over parchment paper. Make a floral pattern using your hot glue gun. Sprinkle with glitter while the glue is hot. Continue squeezing the glue to create a flower. Cover it with glitter. Add a couple of leaves. When cool, take off the flower. The gorgeous DIY cup coaster will protect your table from ugly ring stains. Enjoy your cup of tea with this stunning accessory. Has the hot glue finished when you haven't finished your craft yet? This clever trick will help you spare time on changing glue sticks. Heat the end of the stick. Join it with the loaded one. Trim the seam. You won't have to spend time on setting a new glue stick. You'll have twice as much glue as usual. How do you make a brooch using hot glue and wire? It's easy! We'll need the craft wire. Let the 2 wire loops shape a butterfly wing. Carefully stretch the hot glue over the wing to make a thin film. We've got 2 pretty wings. Join them together. Form the body. Cut off the excess. Correct the antenna's shape. Make them more expressive. Add a drop of the hot glue to the ends. Attach a brooch base. The marvelous butterfly looks like it has just flown off the flower. Do you feel like sending your message in a good old envelope? Then decorate it with a unique flower stamp. Smear Vaseline over a plastic rose. Apply a thick layer of hot glue on the envelope where the stamp should be. Press the flower in the glue. Paint the stamp with nail polishes. Don't forget to put in your greeting card or note. Your message in this original envelope will certainly attract the recipient's attention. You can make pretty round embellishments to decorate the interior articles. We'll need parchment paper. Take a small piece. Carefully pour the hot glue to shape bead halves. They will look like clear buttons lying on the paper. Cover the whole paper. Prepare a number of nail polishes of different colors. Make sure the glue is hardened and cover the drops in a rainbow of colors. Don't be afraid to put the polish on the paper. These vivid embellishments will help make a smart design item out of a blank mirror. You can use them to decorate vases and different containers. You can use the hot glue gun to help create a cool 3D text effect. Take thick cardstock and foil. Wrap the foil around the cardstock. Smear it with fatty cream. Take the hot glue gun. Don't pull the trigger. Distribute the glue directly with the glue stick. Hold the handle in one hand and push the glue stick with the other. Thus, the glue flow won't stop. It's a more convenient way than writing or drawing with the glue. Write any words or outline any images you want. Wait until hardened. Remove the words. Perfect! It's just what we wanted. You can paint them in different colors and use in scrapbooking. Embellish envelopes, for example. Oh, lovely! Here's another phone case that needs renovation. Let's transform it into a cute little teddy bear. Paint it light brown or bronze. Use acrylic paint. Spread fatty cream over a piece of foil. Squeeze a thick layer of the hot glue. Scratch muzzle details using a toothpick. Add more glue to make a nose. Define the nostrils. Paint the muzzle with cream-colored nail polish. Cover the nose with black. Define the details. Make ears. Squeeze 2 hot glue circles. Paint them dark brown. Make a cream middle. Remove the details from the foil using a knife. We'll need 5 elements: 2 ears, 2 eyes, and a nose. Attach them to the phone case. We renovated the old shabby case, transforming it into the lovely little teddy bear. Subscribe, click like. Don't forget to hit the bell to know exactly when a new video comes out.